Hi everyone. I would like to start fast. Actually, I had an idea. Retail growth is not random. It builds up over time. 50 phones in January, that felt like a solid start back then. Then it was 65 in February, 80 in March. It's like the numbers just keep climbing. I did not even realize how fast until now. Each month, 15 more than the last. Consistent, predictable, but still impressive. This steady increase may help me predict what's coming.
Here is a sample question. For sales in June, we're using the formula TN A plus N minus 1D, where A is the first term, N is the nth term, and D being the common difference. We then substitute the values, 15 being the common difference, 50 being the first term. We get the value 125. So, the total sales in June will be 125 phones. And for the total sales from January to June, we use the formula Sn n divided by 2a plus n minus 1d. We then substitute the values in the formula, whereby we get the answer 525 phones. So we need to make sure that we have at least 525 phones in stock to meet the demand.
That's all from me.
Hi everyone. When growth multiplies, smart planning multiplies too. So last week we had 10 laptops online orders. This week 20. Now it's 40. This isn't just a boost. It's doubling every single week. I used to think our increases were random, but this is a pattern, a geometric one. Knowing that lets me predict what's coming. If it keeps doubling, we're looking at 80 next week, then 160. That's not something we can guess through instinct. We've got to calculate. It's not just math, it's planning. Furthermore, I'm gonna show you some examples with explanations. So let's look at how our retail company tracks laptop sales growth using a dramatic sequence. We know that each branch starts by selling 100 laptops in the first month, and every month the sales increase by 5%. To calculate how many laptops will be sold in the 6th month, we use the dramatic sequence formula. Let's break that down. First, A is the first term, which is 100 units. Second, R is the common ratio, since sales increase by 5% each month, the ratio is 1.05. Third, N is the month number we want to find, in this case, the 6th month. So the formula becomes this. Now calculate this. So in the 6th month, each branch is expected to sell approximately 128 laptops. So in the 6th month, each branch is expected to sell approximately 128 laptops. This kind of projection helps the manager estimate future inventory needs and ensures that each branch is ready to meet customer demand as sale growth. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this month's performance review meeting. Today, we're going to discuss about our collected unit sales for laptops and phones. And we'll be using matrices to calculate our total revenue and spot key trends. For our first part for today's meeting, I'm going to talk about the sales performance using matrices. Let's start with our basic numbers. Our company sells two main products, laptops and phones. Each branch provided their monthly sales data in our following metrics. Now, let's talk about branch A. Branch A has sold 20 laptops and 30 phones last month. Branch B has sold 25 laptops and 20 phones. Branch C has successfully sold 15 laptops and 35 phones. We also know that our laptops cost around 3,000 ringgit and our phones cost around 2,000 ringgit. Now, if we calculate our total revenue for each branch, we can multiply the sales matrix by the price matrix. Here's the breakdown. Branch A have sold 20 laptops, which is into 3,000, the price for each laptop, plus 30, which is the number of phones they sold, into 2,000, the number of the price for each phone. This is going to give us 120,000 as a total revenue for branch A. For branch B, we've got 25 sold laptops into 3,000 plus 20 sold phones into 2,000, which is going to give us 115,000 as a total revenue. Branch C has sold 15 laptops into 3,000 plus 35 sold phones into 2,000, which is going to give us 115,000. So a big clap for branch A for successfully selling the most or getting the most total revenue for the last month with a number of 120,000 Malaysian ringgit. In the position B, we got branch B and branch C, comparing them both with 115,000 ringgit. So a big clap for branch A for having the most total revenue for this month with 120,000 ringgit. I hope we can improve our respected retail company more in the more upcoming years. Thank you for joining our today's meeting. I hope you all had a great idea about our company sales.
Okay team, I've just received all the data, all the sales data from all the departments. Let me pull up the matrices. Okay, so for the laptop sales, from branch A, we have 120 sales. From branch B, we have 150 sales. From branch C, we got 90 sales. And for branch D, we've got 200 sales. While for the phone sales, we got 160 from branch A, 100 from branch B, 130 from branch C, and 170 from branch D. So to know the total units of laptops and phones for each branch, we can just use matrices. It's really easy. You just have to add up 120 plus 160 for branch A, which equals to 280. While for branch B, we just have to add up 150 and 100, which will equals to 250 sales from branch B. While for branch C, 90 plus 130 will equals to 220. While for branch D, we have 200 plus 170 sales, which equals to 370 sales. So branch D has the most total units of laptops and phones. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I have a great news to share with you guys. Our sales report is out, but I don't want to just know how many units we sold. I also want to know something more important, which is we all know we need profit. Selling a lot is great, but what really matters is how much we're earning after cost. So let's calculate the total profit per branch using matrices. It's fast and also accurate. Firstly, we subtract the cost from price to get profit per unit. Based on the calculations, the profit we get for laptop is 800 ringgit, meanwhile for phone we got 500 ringgit. Next, we multiply our sales matrix by profit per units matrix. Based on the matrix A, it defines the unit sold. And then, we multiply it with the profit per unit that we got just now. Based on the final result, we got to know the actual profit for each branch. Now, that's kind of insight I need. It's not just about sales, it's also about smart profit tracking. With matrices, we can scale this out to all our products and branches easily. This is how business use mathematics to make fast and also inform financial decisions. That's all from me. I guess let's wrap up here. Thank you for your time and contributions, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.